Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Minna, nutrition coaches and success mentors. We created the FoCo Academy to teach and mentor people like you to achieve true health and healthy relationships through nutrition, exercise, mindset, and lifestyle changes. Today, we're going to talk about your two brains. We eat with our brains before food even touches our lips. Because humans evolved at a time when food was scarce, our sense organs and the processors in the brain are exquisitely attuned to the project of finding and consuming food. So what is the process of eating? First, we see our foods. We are more susceptible to bright colors like colorful fruits and vegetables, and companies know that. So they also make the packaging on processed foods colorful and attractive. And then we smell the food. We tend to sniff out our foods before we actually put them into our mouths. If you've ever smelled a durian, you know that some people love the smell while others hated it. Durian has a very intense flavor that seems to be appealing to only certain people. And then, of course, we put the food into our mouths and we chew. Chewing lets us taste the food, and our saliva also secretes enzymes that helps break down the food before we swallow. So always chew your food because it does help your digestion.
So let's talk about our second brain. We all know we have a brain up here in your head. Now men, before you jump into conclusions, you might think your second head is, well, your second brain may be down there. But that's not what we're talking about. Every one of us, both men and women, have a second brain. The second brain is actually the enteric nervous system, and it is inside your gut. Yeah, inside your gut. This nervous system uses all the same neurotransmitters as your upstairs brain. So when you hear people say gut feeling, our gut really does have feelings. And because we have feelings in our guts, this may be why we are prone to emotional eating when we're sad, frustrated, anxious, angry, or even bored. And sometimes we're confusing these emotions with being hungry. We may think that we're feeling hungry, but in fact, we may be just sad, bored, frustrated, anxious, or angry. Stress also has a strong influence on your gut. Having a full stomach makes us feel pleasurable, satisfied, happy, and comforted. Now, our PN Pro coaching program covers the topic of appetite regulation in detail, so if you're interested, check it out in the link below. So our enteric nervous system in our gut uses all the same neurotransmitters as our upstairs brain, right? If that's the case, then how do we control our gut feelings? How do we know when we're physically hungry or emotionally hungry? Well, we'll talk about that tomorrow. Till next time, love what you live and live what you love.